Okay, this is a Lewis 2000 US make, excellent button saw machine. That could be tacking for drapery, as you see over here how thick it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, very thick, very heavy. You can do single, you can do whatever you need. Here I did before the sample, you see from both sides, heavy, and now we show you in action. Alright, go for it. Beautiful, it tacks, it cuts the thread automatically, and you can go one after one in a beautiful way. See that? Beautiful. Yes, that's what's called tacking machine, high lift for drapery, pleating, and thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. As you see the machine over here,